Good morning.
The house was very quiet.
Mom, are you okay? I don't feel good today. Mom started coughing.
Are you okay?
I feel very dizzy.
Mom. Sit down carefully. We need the hospital!
Yes, I think so.
Let's go now.
I will help you.
The sky was gray. Rain started to fall.
Everyone get in!
We are going now.
They drove to the hospital.
Mom, you'll be okay.
Thank you, Tom.
The rain became heavier.
Stay calm, everyone.
An ambulance appeared.
Look at the ambulance!
The ambulance rushed by.
It is very fast. We are here.
We will help her. Thank you.
They waited nervously.
I am worried.
Mom will be okay. Time passed slowly.
Please be okay.
The waiting felt long. Your mom will be okay.
That is wonderful.
That is wonderful.
I feel better now. Mom was getting stronger.
Take this medicine. Thank you for everything. The rain had stopped.
The sun is shining. I will help you.
Thank you, Tom.
Let's go home.
I am so happy.
Mom was safe and healthy again.